Hi, my name is Anita Fernandez. I'm a Bangalorean, been in Bangalore for a decade or so. This 6 weeks of learning at Slurp Culinary Academy has been an incredible journey for me. The chefs are truly passionate, very friendly, and very well read about the different cuisines throughout the world. So I would definitely recommend Slurp if you are very passionate about cooking. And I can't wait to see where this new path takes me. And I can very proudly say that I got slurped at Slurp Academy. We had a lot of hands-on training on different various kinds of cooking. And my favorite was the tandoor at the Slurp studio. And plus we had a lot of theory classes, which was very invaluable. The favorite part of my theory class was one is digital marketing and one is the bartending, which we all loved the class. Thank you so much, Slurp Academy, and I would definitely recommend anyone to come and join this course, and I'm sure you will thoroughly enjoy with all the chefs over here. They are super friendly. Thank you.